Ever wondered why some people seem to get everything they want? Well, it's not magic, it's science. You see, our minds are powerful tools, capable of shaping our realities in ways we might not even realize. This isn't just some fluffy, feel-good talk. It's backed by science and the study of human psychology. You've probably heard of affirmations before. They're those positive statements you repeat to yourself, like, I am capable, or I am enough. But have you ever stopped to think about why they work? In the fascinating world of neuroscience, researchers have discovered the power of the subconscious mind. This part of our brain is like a fertile garden, absorbing the seeds we plant within it. Every thought, every word is a seed. The more we repeat these words, these affirmations, the more they become ingrained in our subconscious. And here's the exciting part. Our subconscious mind can't tell the difference between reality and imagination. So when we feed it with positive affirmations, it starts to believe them and work towards making them our reality. It's like having a personal assistant who takes your orders and makes them happen. But wait, there's more. Our subconscious mind also influences our actions, our behaviors, and our feelings. It's like the director of a play dictating how the actors, our conscious thoughts and actions, perform on the stage of life. By using affirmations, we can harness the power of our subconscious mind to shape our reality. It's like having a superpower, one that's been within us all along. And this isn't just a theory, it's a scientifically proven phenomenon with countless studies and experiments supporting it. So, are you ready to tap into this power within you? Are you ready to shape your reality, to achieve your dreams, and to become the best version of you? If so, you're in the right place. So buckle up, we're about to dive into the science behind affirmations. There's more to weight loss than physical changes. It's a mental journey too. Here's where the magic of affirmations comes into play. Affirmations are positive self-talk. Phrases like, I am healthy, or I am fit. They work towards creating a mindset that propels our weight loss ambitions. Imagine having a personal coach in your mind, always ready to inspire you and hold your motivation high. How does it function? When we consistently feed our mind positive affirmations, our subconscious starts to absorb them. It's comparable to sowing seeds in a garden. The more you water them with affirmations, the deeper they root in our subconscious. The intriguing part is, our subconscious mind regulates our actions, behaviors, and emotions. So feeding it with positive affirmations starts to shape our eating and exercise patterns. It works like a car's GPS. Once the destination is decided, the vehicle automatically chooses the ideal path to reach there. In a similar fashion, once our mind believes the affirmations to be true, it begins to direct our actions towards our weight loss objectives. Skeptical about it? Consider this. There are numerous inspiring success stories of individuals who have used affirmations for losing weight. These are individuals who have not only shed pounds, but also sustained their weight just by altering their mindset and implementing affirmations. So if you're on this weight loss journey, don't forget the power of affirmations. Your mind is your most potent ally. Use it to transform your reality. Use it to become the optimal version of yourself. In this fascinating exploration of neuroplasticity, we delve into how positive affirmations can physically modify our brain structure. Neuroplasticity, you see, is a brilliant capability of the brain to restructure itself, creating novel neural connections throughout our lifespan. It's akin to the brain undergoing a constant makeover, perpetually updating its circuits to adjust to fresh experiences. Now, where do affirmations fit into? Whenever we experience a thought or feeling, our brain triggers a series of electrical signals across a neuron network. As we consistently echo certain thoughts or feelings, the brain starts reinforcing these neural pathways, easing and speeding up the journey of signals across them. This is the juncture where affirmations gain importance. Affirmations, positive assertions, aid us in challenging and outdoing self-damaging and pessimistic thoughts. By echoing them frequently and believing in them, we can initiate positive transformations. By consistently repeating affirmations, we can create robust neural pathways, promoting positivity and constructive behavior. Drawing inspiration from a recent study which eloquently illustrates how a group of hotel maids informed that their daily chores constituted good exercise, lost weight, and decreased their blood pressure. A stark contrast to a control group devoid of this information. The maids' brains, by affirming that they were exercising regularly, brought about physical changes in their bodies. Such is the might of affirmations amplified by the wonder of neuroplasticity. We can intentionally employ affirmations to mold our brain's circuitry, impacting our beliefs, and consequently, our reality. It's like possessing a superpower. Your words and thoughts can engender changes in your life. So always remember this wise old adage, "As a man thinketh in his heart, so is he." This statement is more literal than you'd assume. Our thoughts, when repeated and believed, can alter the physical structure of our brains. Thus, by altering our thoughts, we can quite literally reshape our brain. Our brains are like a supercomputer, constantly processing information. Now picture this. Deep within your thoughts, there stands a guard known as the reticular activating system, or in short, RAS. It plays the role of a doorman at an elite club, dictating which information is granted privileged access to your conscious mind and which are left out in the cold. But how does this relate to affirmations? Let's ponder over this. Each day, we are bombarded with an avalanche of information, but our brains can only handle a fraction of it. That's when our ally, RAS, comes into play. It pays attention to what you focus on the most and ensures you observe more of the same. It's like when you purchase a new vehicle and suddenly you notice the same make and model everywhere. That's your RAS in affirmations serve as VIP passes for your thoughts, assisting them to bypass the queue and get recognized by the RAS. As you repeatedly affirm, you're communicating to your RAS about what matters to you. You're essentially instructing your brain to prioritize these thoughts. Now, if you continuously affirm that you're capable and confident, your RAS will begin to emphasize situations where you exhibit these traits, as if you've installed a mental filter to capture all the capable and confident moments of your life. However, it's not just about mindlessly repeating affirmations. The secret lies in feeling and believing in what you're expressing. Your RAS isn't tricked by hollow words. It reacts to authentic belief and emotion. Therefore, if you're aiming to transform your life, begin by altering your thoughts. Utilize affirmations to guide your RAS to focus on the positive, to highlight the opportunities and possibilities that coincide with your aspirations. By employing affirmations, we can steer our brain's spotlight towards success. So let's ignite that light, shall we? In this scene, we delve into a scientific study that validates the potency of positive affirmations. An experiment carried out by researchers at Carnegie Mellon University involved subjects placed in high-stress scenarios. A partition of these participants were guided to participate in self-affirmation tasks, while the remaining were not. The findings were quite revealing. The group that engaged in positive affirmations managed to sustain reduced stress levels and a more resilient outlook than their counterparts. So, what forms the basis of this impact? It's all about the science. It turns out that when we frequently reassure ourselves with positive affirmations, we start to trust in them. This phenomenon is linked to a concept known as self-perception theory, which proposes that our own actions greatly influence our perceptions, similar to external elements. Reiterating these uplifting affirmations, we are essentially persuading ourselves about their validity. Furthermore, positive affirmations stimulate the RAS. This system takes note when we affirm something positive about ourselves and starts steering us towards opportunities, resources, and pathways that can turn that affirmation into reality. So, if you ever find yourself under stress or feeling overwhelmed, tap into the potency of positive affirmations. Phrases like, "I am competent," or "I can deal with whatever life throws at me," can act as a mental barrier, shielding you from the detrimental impacts of stress. It's more than just wishful thinking or unfounded optimism. It's about deliberately deciding to concentrate on the positive and believe in your own capabilities. The apt words indeed have the power to fend off stress. So communicate positively with yourself and witness your perspective and consequently your life start to transform for the better. How we see ourselves can fundamentally change everything about our lives. This truth is echoed in all aspects of our existence. The way we perceive ourselves not only molds our connections with the world around us, but also affects our performance in multiple facets of life. Let's delve into how affirmations can bolster this self-perception and, as a result, enhance our performance. Affirmations, uplifting statements that we echo to ourselves, act as potent instruments in shaping our self-perception. When we affirm something positive about ourselves, we are essentially conditioning our minds to accept this positivity. This isn't just a mood-boosting practice, but it's supported by scientific research. In an intriguing study, individuals who practiced positive self-affirmations were discovered to perform better in tasks they previously feared. This progress was credited to their improved self-perception. They started perceiving themselves as proficient and capable, and this positive self-perception boosted their performance. The science supporting this phenomenon is quite captivating. The human brain, a complex organ with billions of neurons, is highly adaptable. When we practice affirmations, we are essentially generating new neural connections in our brain. The more we affirm, the stronger these connections become, leading to a change in our self-perception. But how does all this result in improved performance? Well, when we view ourselves positively, we are more inclined to face challenges, persist in the face of adversity, and work towards our goals. A positive self-perception encourages us to put in the effort required for success, thus enhancing our performance. In conclusion, affirmations are more than just mood-lifting statements. They are potent instruments that can greatly boost our self-perception and, as a result, our performance. As we navigate through life, let's remember to validate ourselves, to trust in our capabilities, and to tap into our inner strength. Affirmations are catalysts for personal growth and success. So utilize these catalysts confidently and let the power of affirmations revolutionize our lives. Affirmations, their potency is an age-old concept, not something freshly minted. This timeless truth is beautifully exemplified by scriptural affirmations, threading together personal growth and spirituality. Consider the scripture from Philippians 4:13, "I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me." This scripture is more than a mere affirmation, it's a core belief. Whenever we recite it, we aren't merely uttering words. We're asserting our belief in our own abilities, fueled by our faith. We're molding our own reality through the strength of our words, simultaneously deepening our spiritual connection. This scripture, akin to all affirmations, implants a positive loop in our mind, supplanting doubt with certainty, fear with bravery. It's a gentle nudge at our inherent abilities, a signal of the divine force within us. Hence, whenever you feel the need for some motivation, remember Philippians 4:13. Recite it, trust it. The power of affirmations is universally acknowledged. It's a global truth accessible to everyone. You've come a long way. Time to grant you a little bonus. Did you ever have thoughts about a hidden formula for utilizing affirmations to their full potential? Well, there indeed is one, and it's as straightforward as 3 core elements: truthfulness, regularity, and faith. Allow me to tell you a tale from my own life. There was a time when I was mired in stagnation and devoid of anything close to inspiration. The potency of affirmations was something I had heard of, but the concept of self-conversation standing in front of a mirror seemed somewhat ludicrous. But desperate situations required desperate actions. Hence, I thought of giving it a shot. I settled on a plain affirmation: I possess ability and self-assurance. Each dawn, I would stare at my reflection in the mirror and echo this statement, genuinely and devoutly. Initially, it seemed peculiar, but as the sunrises turned into sunsets and days morphed into weeks, a transformation occurred. I began sensing an air of certainty, a revived self-assurance. I understood that by repeatedly and genuinely confirming this faith, I was recalibrating my mindset, tuning my thoughts to resonate with this optimistic self-view. So here's the inaugural tip for effective use of affirmations. Be honest. When you echo an affirmation, mean it, embrace it, exist it. The second tip revolves around regularity. Make affirmations a part of your daily routine. It could seem odd at the beginning, but persevere. The enchantment unveils when you're least anticipating it. Lastly, have faith. Trust in the potency of the words you're uttering. Believe in their potential to reform your reality. Remember, affirmations are equivalent to seeds. When sown in the fertile ground of a receptive mind, irrigated with honesty and regularity, and cared for with faith, they blossom into enormous trees of transformation. So proceed. Fortify yourself with affirmations. Echo them, trust them, and witness them revolutionize your life. Keep in mind, affirmations hold immense power, but only if they are harnessed properly. As we prepare to wrap things up, there's something special I'd like to ask of you. If you found this video meaningful, could you please show some love by hitting the like button, subscribing, and sharing your insights in the comments section? Let's affirm together, I am in control of my body, I choose healthy and nourishing foods. As Buddha wisely put it, what we think, we become. So let's harness the power of affirmations and witness the incredible transformation in our lives, including our journey towards weight loss. Until next time.